Ambrosio, the stylist cat.
Don't worry, kitties. These won't clutter up the place for much longer. A truck is coming to collect everything.
Socks, hats, scarves. Just old clothes. Not even a single guitar or skateboard. Clothes? Let me see, Lampo.
Hey, who turned off the lights?
Those Buffy cats, what a bunch of bumblers.
Yeah, a bunch of bumblers.
Those aren't just any old clothes. There's some really nice stuff in here. Look, I'm a rooster!
My hands and feet always feel a bit cold after lunch. No more digestion problems with those.
Those accessories work for you, but I've got a certain style. I need a special something. Aha! Found it! Check out the scarf from the Fall, Winter, Spring, Summer Milady collection. Milady's here, showing off her signature style for us today.
Guys, have I got a big scoop for you? Ambrosio is in town.
What? Ambrosio? You mean the Ambrosio?
Yes, the world's most famous designer cat has decided on our town to present his new collection. I'm on my way to the fashion show right now. Do you want to go? Oh.
So what are we waiting for? Let's get to the fashion show on the double.
If anyone here is an expert on fashion, it's me, Boss. Come on.
Ambrosio has set up his atelier in the hotel basement. And I have exclusive press access.
Nice.
Oh, wow.
I totally can't wait to meet Ambrosio.
I've got to get into position. I'll take plenty of pictures.
Let's get down there and blend in with the crowd.
Oh, I can't wait to see what's gonna happen. This show is gonna be awesome.
Ambrosio is starting to get on my nerves, as if there wasn't already a fashionista in town. Not bad, this designer cat, but look at this. A trendy hat for the cat about town. Comfortable, handy, and elegant.
It looks more like a skirt to me. Weird. Ambrosio is taking forever. Maybe he's got some last-minute preparations for the fashion show? This is not like him. I have to find out if something's wrong.
Where's she going?
Ambrosio isn't here. That's no mannequin. Ambrosio! The most possum designer in the world!
And who are you?
We're the Buffy cats. Why were you standing there like a mannequin?
Huh? It's a meditation technique for designers. To make the outfits most excellent, you must identify with the mannequins themselves. Yeah.
Milady's fur just turned pink. I have the impression someone's just told a lie.
You're right. I admit everything. I was hiding because the collection to present, I do not have it. I've lost my inspiration. I'm a designer with no designs. What can I do?
I'm so sorry, Ambrosio, but I'm sure you'll figure it out soon.
Pilu's right, and we're going to help you. You said it, Milady. The Buffy Cats are always ready to help cats in need. Leave the audience to me. My furry fellows! Ambrosio is putting the finishing touches on his new collection. He will present the most incredible fashion show ever tonight.
Why is Milady on stage? I smell Buffy Cat's meddling.
We have a trunk full of beautiful old clothes at home. You can put something together for your new collection there.
I'm not a fan of showing off fashion that is old. But if this is a chance to save face in front of my fans, why not?
The Buffy Cats want to help Ambrosio.
What do we do now, boss?
We'll keep them from getting that trunk. That stuck-up Ambrosio will make a fool of himself. And the Buffy Cats, too.
The trunk is gone. Now what? My whiskers are pointing to the street.
Granny Pina said a truck was coming to collect everything.
Lead the way. Let's get those clothes back. Lampo, where are you going? This'll be faster. Okay, the trunk should be around here somewhere. Let's split up.
Wow! Snack time! Buffy Cats! I think I found it!
You're a genius, Meatball!
Thanks! But why am I really hungry for spaghetti and meatballs?
Uh-oh! That means danger!
Thanks! This trunk is just the thing for a real designer, meaning me! Oh! Hey, Lampo! Paws off my trunk! Huh?
How can I invent a new laser litter box with all this racket?
I got it! I got it! Oh, I don't got it.
Well done! It's mine now! Ha!
Meatball! But where's the trunk?
They took it.
Boss! What a nightmare! Okay. Time to stop them with my cat foo moves. Let's get back to the atelier and prepare for the fashion show. We have to hurry. It's super late.
Okay, but I need time to select carefully the perfect clothes from the trunk.
That's it? Where is the rest of the stuff?
All that effort for a few rags? No way!
You've done all you could for me, my furry fashionistas. Leave me be. The audience will laugh me out of town. It will be the end of my brilliant career.
Yep. Even these leftovers are old and broken.
Poor Ambrosio. Even he couldn't recycle them into something useful for a fashion show.
Did you say recycle? What if we... And then, this way. What do you think?
You're a genius, darling. Consider yourself my assistant here and now by my paws.
It's Pilu who gave me the Buffy brainstorm.
Come on, let's get to work. Presenting my new collection, inspired by the art of recycling. Eco-friendly ideas for fantastic outfits. This special show was such a success. Thank you, Buffycats, for your precious help. I want to dedicate this fabulous collection to you all.
Say cheese.
Thank you, everyone.
That way's not the shortcut, Blister.
Yes, it is, Cat.
Hey, you! Can you not see you're carrying a barrel? Stop!
Boss, are you okay?
Those ratty Buffy cats! This is all their fault! They did it to me again!
Hey, boss, looking good.
With that style, your look is even more wicked.
That's not my style, it's just my temper. Ew. Come back, you two! You need some fashion lessons!
Blondie the Spy Cat. Buffy Cats, it's movie time!
Wow, what are we watching, Milady?
Never say meow again.
No, this is the 10th time.
But it's Jane Blondie, the Spy Cat at her best. It's going to be Possum. You'll see.
My name is Blondie. Jane Blondie.
You're just a doll. I'm not scared of you. Ugh. A trap like that can't catch me. I'm a top-tier spy cat. Hello, Cat-X.
Agent Blondie, did you bring me the alien device?
Mission accomplished. Here it is.
Well done. From this moment on, it will not fall into the wrong holes. Because it already has.
Meow, meow, meow.
Cat X is the real bad guy. Oh, they fell asleep during the best part.
Secret message to all spy cats.
I am a spy cat.
Meet me at the abandoned building. I need a laser pointer.
The call said to come here, but this place is empty. Huh? There is someone. I can't believe it! It's really you!
Yes, my name is Blondie. Jane Blondie. Don't make me do this the hard way.
You'll never catch me! You got me, but I won't tell you anything.
If only I had a laser pointer.
Oh yeah, the laser pointer! Here it is!
Ah. Come on, Kitty. Catch the red dot. Thank you. I can get him to talk with this.
But what does he know that's so important? He's just one of the cats in black.
Leave Agent K alone. Milady?
Hi, Z. Hi,
And who are you?
My name is Blondie. Jane Blondie. Cats in black, you better confess. I know you have super secret information.
Yeah, all right. We know that there is a new type of lollipop for sale in town.
Yeah, and it's cat treat flavored.
Let's see if they're telling the truth. Aha! My fur's turned pink. That means you lied.
Not bad, Spy Cat. What's your code name?
Agent Milady.
Thanks to Agent Milady, you have to tell the truth. Or do you want me to use the red dot again?
No! Not the red dot! We were looking for an alien device that fell to Earth.
It crashed, but remained operational.
If it ends up in the wrong paws, it could be used to conquer the human world.
An alien device.
All right. Agent Milady and I will take care of this.
Me?
Of course. You did quite good. Do you want to be my assistant, Agent Milady?
It would be a dream come true. What is the mission?
Strange things are happening in this town, Agent Milady, and I think that alien device has something to do with it.
You think someone's using it for evil?
There's only one way to find out.
Huh? I'm on a secret mission with Blondie. What a thrill!
Shh. Humans are behaving like cats.
Watch out, Blondie!
Thank you, Agent Milady. Things are not just weird, they're also very dangerous.
Hey! I've seen that human before. He was hypnotized by Cat X with an alien device.
Agent Milady, do you think Cat X is behind this?
There's only one way to find out. Let's follow the human. I have a feeling he'll lead us to the answer we need.
Huh?
He walked into the garden of this villa.
I know this place. Here lives...
Look! You were right, Agent Milady. Cat X is behind all this. We got you, Cat X. Surrender immediately and show yourself.
Who dares disturb me?
Blondie, I know him. It's Boss, the biggest prankster cat in town. But he can't be the supervillain we're looking for.
Cat X, you hypnotize humans with that alien device. Now give it to us.
I found this and it's mine. Why should I give it to you?
Boss, please understand. It's too dangerous. Give it to us.
Don't even think about it. Since I found this, humans have been purring at me, cuddling me, and bringing me milk. Get rid of these two kitties.
Agent Milady, ready for a team-up?
I was born ready, Agent Blondie.
push.
What happened? What are we doing here?
Oh, no! Give it back to me now, Spy Cat!
I'm more than just a spy cat. My name is Blondie. Jane Blondie.
Okay. Jane Blondie, give me that thing back. What's happening?
Hello, Aster Cat.
You know this alien cat?
She's one of my furry fellows. We can trust her.
Thank you for activating the tracker. I've been looking for it for days.
If this alien device is yours, I'll be happy to return it to you.
I hope my watch didn't cause you too much trouble.
It's a watch?
A multifunction watch. The problem is that on certain planets, it can have unpredictable effects.
Keep talking, ladies. In the meantime, I'm taking the ship.
Look, the watch also allows me to remotely control my spaceship. And it has many other functions, such as a hypnotic sleep effect.
Whoa.
Agent Milady, you okay?
I feel so sleepy. What happened, my furry fellows? Well, you fell asleep while watching the movie, Milady. No way, Lampo. I remember the whole thing. In fact, I was on a mission with Jane Blondie.
Huh? Maybe it was all a dream, Milady.
Come on, Buffy Cats. Let's go play outside. A dream? How could I have just dreamed everything?
Milady, will you come and play?
Bongo on stage.
Come on, Pilou.
Buffy Cat 0, Boom Boom Steppers 1.
That's not fair. Cat dance is a really hard game.
But not for me. Lola, I challenge you.
Ready and waiting, Meatball.
This is too hard. I'm so tired.
May I have the honor of playing the next cat dance round against you, milady?
I don't know, Fancy Dancy. I like to dance, but I'm feeling a bit nervous.
Come on, Milady. With your cat foo skills, I'm sure you'll be a natural.
Okay, Lampo, let's give it a try. Oops, I messed up. You've won the game, Fancy Dancy.
You were pretty good, even though it was your first time. Just practice a bit, and remember, dancing makes you happy.
Dancing just makes me hungry.
Playing cat dance with you was quite fun. Let's have another match sometime, Buffy Cats.
So, what do we do now?
Come on, let's practice dancing.
All right! You're great, Milady. Yeah. Do you want to perform tonight at our circus? Huh?
Actually, dancing in front of people makes me nervous.
Yeah. Maybe it's the same for Bongo.
Who is Bongo?
The legendary white orangutan. He's the best tango dancer, but he's run away. We can't find him anywhere.
Did you try to lure him out with a banana?
We left bananas everywhere, Meatball, but it was no use. Come on, Chalk. Let's go look for him some more.
Oh, I feel bad for Milky and Chalk.
But we can help them. Buffy Cats, my whiskers can find the white orangutan. Great! My whiskers are telling us that Bongo is inside our clubhouse?
Hi! Bongo greets Kitty.
You're the white orangutan? Bongo, why did you run away? Milky and Chalk have been looking for you.
Bongo doesn't know how to dance.
I have the impression someone's just told a lie.
Yes, you're right. Bongo knows how to dance, but Bongo has a problem.
Wow, you're unstoppable. This performance will be the best ever.
All those people scared Bongo. Bongo was afraid of making a mistake in front of everyone.
You can do it, Bongo.
So Bongo ran away.
So you came here to hide, right?
We'll help you overcome your fear, Bongo.
Lampo is right. The show is tonight, Bongo. You can't disappoint Milky and Chalk. To beat your fear, you need to practice. I've got a Buffy brainstorm. Bongo, let me introduce you. The Boom Boom Steppers, the best dancing cats ever.
Nice to meet you, Bongo. Buffy Cats, up for a cat dance rematch?
What Bongo and I need is to overcome the fear of dancing in front of an audience.
Of course. All you must do is pass the 3 tests of courage.
Test number 1. Dance on the beam and keep your balance.
Looks pretty hard. How will we do it?
Bongo is afraid to make a mistake.
Let the rhythm guide you.
Bongo and Milady dancing balance tango together is really awesome!
You did it! You moved in harmony.
This exercise reminds me of my cat food training. I feel way more confident now. How about you, Bongo?
Bongo is good at keeping balance with his hands. Hey?
Huh?
Bongo is afraid to make a mistake in front of an audience.
Test number 2, dancing on shaky ground.
Are you nervous, Milady?
A bit, Bongo. Especially because I don't know what we're doing yet.
Huh? You have to dance the tango while jumping from tire to tire.
Wow,
having fun too.
Then you're ready to dance in front of an audience.
What a scoop! Hey, Bongo! A picture for the Deli Cat magazine? The audience will love you.
Ooh, an audience will see Bongo's picture. Bongo is afraid to dance in front of an audience.
And this is test number 3. Dancing on air. We're on the roof of the restaurant. Smell the aroma coming from the kitchen. And relax. Imagine you're dancing on the clouds.
Clapping! Too many people! Bongo can't dance now!
The audience doesn't have to scare you, Bongo. You're so good at dancing the tango.
But when Bongo sees the audience...
I've got a Buffy brainstorm.
Bongo, Milady, we've got to hurry. The show at the circus is about to start.
Let's go, Bongo.
Huh?
Trust me.
Thank you. It's time for our main attraction, but...
But we have something special just for you. Let's hear it for Bongo, the legendary white orangutan.
And let's hear it for the agile wonder, Milady.
Bongo, are you ready? Close your eyes. Dance with your eyes shut. Just follow my lead.
Now they're going to dance the tango together.
You did it, Bongo!
Bongo did it thanks to Milady.
I can't believe that watching you dance made me so hungry.
Bongo doesn't know how to thank Milady.
I've got a Buffy brainstorm.
So, you want a rematch with the Cat Dance champions?
Come on, Bongo. We've got to win against the Boom Boom Steppers.
Okay, Buffy Cats, we'll face you, but with our playlist.
Oh no, with Bongo the orangutan, the playlist is always on tango.
Peppy's True Talent.
A little more practice and we'll be ready for the big show, Milky. I can't wait, Chuck.
Ta-da! Look, Uncles, your little niece Peppy will be the best tightrope walker ever.
Peppy, maybe start with something easier. Don't push yourself too far.
I just want to be as good as you two. Whoa! Why are you laughing?
Because it was great slapstick, Peppy. The way you fell, you used the umbrella, you made the balls go everywhere.
But I want to be a tightrope walker. A tightrope walking cat never falls.
We're sure you have talent, Peppy. You just have to figure out what it is.
I know I'm as good as Uncle Milky and Uncle Chalk, but how do I prove it? You are so great. You have the best balance.
Well, thank you. Hello, I'm Milady. And you?
I'm Peppy, the great tightrope walking cat. You know, I can do those moves too.
Are you sure about that? It takes a lot of training.
Sure, I've done it lots of times.
Let's see if you're telling the truth. Oh no, it's not true! Peppy, watch out! It's dangerous to do that without practice, even if you are a tightrope walker.
I'll never be a tightrope walker, but I really want to show my uncles Milky and Chalk how good I am.
You just need some practice. And my furry fellows and I can help you.
Thank you, Milady.
Hello, Buffy Cats. This is Peppy, and she needs our help.
Great! Hi, I'm Lampo.
I'm Pilou.
And I'm Meatball. And I'm Peppy, the great tightrope walking cat.
What a great trick! How'd you do it?
Oh no, not again!
Fantastic! You are a perfect clown.
But I don't want to be a clown. I want to be a tightrope walker.
Sure, Peppy. We'll help you to become a great tightrope walker. Right, Buffy Cats?
It'll be awesome!
To keep your balance, you have to carefully put one paw in front of the other. Once you have that down, we'll try a simple stunt together. That's it. Now it's your turn.
On it.
Good, but stay focused on how to place your paws. One after the other.
That's boring. I want to do this.
Possum, Peppy! That was really funny.
Funny? Lampo, I don't want my stunts to be funny.
Well, but I mean, that was nice.
I want to be a tightrope walking cat.
Sure. From now on, we'll all be super focused on your target, Peppy. I promise.
Super focused! We'll use a skateboard to practice your balance. Yeah! As soon as you're confident, you can make the exercise more interesting by juggling more balls.
Let me try. It's super easy.
Okay, now let's juggle balls too.
No, I'll use these.
Peppy, maybe that's not a good idea.
Peppy is really funny. on! Oh. Super focused. I'm gonna teach you a really entertaining balancing act, Peppy.
Really entertaining? You can trust Meatball.
This is my specialty, the Bon Bounce. Boing, boing, boing.
Bon? Bounce. This one isn't entertaining. You don't think it's fun? No. It's super duper fun.
I've got an idea. Or better yet, a Buffy brainstorm.
Look, Peppy, the first one to laugh loses.
I win!
So, this is your Buffy brainstorm, Pilou? It doesn't look like it has much to do with balance. Maybe it doesn't, but maybe it does, if you apply your talent to it. Okay.
Sorry, little squirrel.
I've never laughed so hard.
Peppy, you're the best clown cat I've ever seen.
The talent to make people laugh isn't so bad, is it?
You're right, Milady. I can't wait to show my uncles.
To the circus!
Hello, gentle cats. The show is about to start.
When you have to perform, Peppy, remember, use your talent.
Uh-huh.
Dear audience, this is the show of the possum, Peppy the Clown Cat.
Peppy is really getting the hang of it.
And now, for my most difficult trick, the triple feline jump with a cat turnabout.
Peppy has found her true talent.
Nobody can stop Peppy!
Listen up, boys and girls. Run, don't walk. The circus is here. We've got barrels of cheer. Our juggling cats can't be outdone. You'll have a ton of fun. It's a circus so amazing the cats can't stop gazing. Take a seat because I know you won't want to miss the show. Whether there be sun or rain, cats won't miss their training. Practicing tricks round the clock. Here comes Milky and Chalk. Clubs are spinning through the air. The crowd's roaring everywhere. And now here comes little Peppy. She's so spiteful and unhappy. She wants to show the public she's a furry star. But she must train if her act is to be on par. She is the funniest kitty you will meet in town. She's so hilarious and clever like a clown. Now the circus features Peppy. She's so very happy. Her job is fun number one, causing laughter and fun.
Thank you, Buffy Cats. You helped me figure out my talent.
Happy to lend a paw, Peppy.
Yeah, and the circus inspired me to do a awesome new trick. Look!
Wow! You're great, Meatball.
You haven't seen the trick yet. Ah!
So what's your trick?
When it comes to catching food, I'm a real talent.
The Cat Fu Show. Meowpaw had no way to escape. The orangutans had him cornered. Was he going to face them or give up? He could fight with the frog tongue and use his battle cry. Meowpaw decided to face them. He knew Cat Fu moves better than anyone else. His frog style was legendary, unique, absolutely unbeatable. That day, Meowpaw fought against 99 ninja orangutans. And with that battle, Grandpa became a Cat Fu legend.
Wow, I wouldn't want to be in those ninja orangutan's shoes.
Good point, Meatball. Nobody can beat the frog tongue.
Thanks, Milady. It's also good for digestion.
Keep telling us the story, Milady. How did the Meowpaw fight end?
Did he finally manage to defeat all those ninja orangutans?
Well, Pilou, actually, nobody knows how it went.
Except me.
Huh? Grandpa?
Oh,
the legendary Meowpaw!
I beat 99 ninja orangutans. One after another. Like this.
Ooh, the legendary frog tongue.
But how did you do it, Grandpa?
You'll have to wait. Oh.
Don't you want to tell us?
No, one doesn't talk with one's mouth full.
Wow, what wisdom.
I beat them by putting the frog style into practice.
I want to master the frog style, too.
Only Kato, your master, can choose the style you need to learn.
Buffy cats?
Hello, Master Kato.
After the hard training that you did, in the final Cat Fu show, you'll have to commit.
Final show? What does that mean?
Each of you will perform a Cat Fu style, and all together, a routine you will try. Pilou, you will do Ladybug style. Delicate and controlled, it achieves every goal. Lampo, you will do Dragonfly style. Instinctive and fast, the surprise ending's a blast. Meatball, you will do Bumblebee style. Strong and winning, with its bonbon spinning. Milady, you will do the Bee style. Determined and gentle, precision physical and mental.
But I wanted to learn the frog style.
And the great Meowpaw, hero of heroes, will review all of your performances.
Grandpa will review me?
See you tomorrow. And train hard, please, so performing in front of the audience will be a breeze.
I hope I won't disappoint you, Grandpa.
It's nice to see you, my cherry blossom.
What advice can you give us, Great Meowpaw?
Yeah, what does a Cat Fu master eat?
What can we do to avoid making mistakes?
Practice together, dear lotus flowers. Only this way will you blossom. It's time for you to start training for the show. Come to Cat Mountain once you're ready.
I gotta do my best. I can't disappoint Grandpa.
Dragonfly style!
No, Lampo. You should shake your arms in rhythm. Like that. That's it.
Ladybug style. Or was it the other leg? Phew.
Both legs. One after another, Pilou. Like this. This way.
Bumblebee style. Oh.
meatball. Use your bonbon to throw the treat first, then eat it.
I did it! Hey! I can't talk with my mouth full.
My turn now. I just perfected the bee style. Grandpa won't be disappointed.
Wow, Milady! You're the best!
But I can do better than that. I can really impress Grandpa.
Sorry, Milady, but we need to come up with a group routine all together.
Yes, of course, Lampo. Keep training and follow my advice.
But you're not Meowpaw. Maybe we should just follow his advice.
I've got a Buffy brainstorm. Now I know what to do so I don't disappoint Grandpa. Be like Grandpa.
Oh, hey, how about trying the chicken?
What style is that?
The style of my dinner.
Grandpa, I want to learn frog style.
You might get confused during the show, Milady.
Don't worry, Grandpa. I won't.
If you insist. You were great, Milady. You impressed me.
Really?
Yes, but don't forget you still have to perform your routines with your friends. You'll have to move together and... Hope it works.
Welcome, everyone, to Cat Food Day. My students are about to show you their routines, so don't walk away.
Puffy Cats, don't forget. We gotta perform the moves we learned.
And we can't disappoint Grandpa. I mean, Meowpaw.
A perfect routine today. They all moved in the same way.
I'm dedicating the frog style to my grandpa, the great Meowpaw.
Milady, what are you doing?
I want to show Grandpa how hard I worked.
Are we done? Can we go eat now?
I'm sorry, my furry fellows. I was afraid to make a bad impression on Grandpa, and I made a mess. I've ruined all your hard work. I'm sorry, Master Cato. I know I disappointed you. I just wanted to be like you.
You have to know, Milady, that the way of cat foo is like milk in a bowl or in a glass. It takes on different shapes, but...
Meowpaw, I finally found you.
The 100th ninja orangutan!
That's me, and I'm here to defeat you, Meowpaw.
You're so predictable, Meowpaw. I know every move of your frog style. The frog tongue is mine.
No!
We gotta help Meowpaw.
Leave it to me.
Nobody has ever seen that kind of style. But it made our audience smile.
Milady, what was that style?
I'll call it the cricket style, because I jump like a frog and fly like a bee.
It belongs to you, cricket style master.
Thanks, Grandpa. But I'll never be like you.
Remember, Milady, the way of cat foo is like milk in a bowl or in a glass. The milk takes on different shapes, but it stays itself. To be like me, you forgot to be yourself.
Thank you, Grandpa. Meatball, what are you doing?
As the wise Meowpaw says, one doesn't talk with one's mouth full.
Subscribe to the channel.